UNICEF said that India has the highest number of under-vaccinated or unvaccinated children worldwide. The number stands at 3.5 million, which is an increase of 1.4 million from 2019 amid the COVID-19 pandemic. It also noted that over 3 million of zero-dose children in 2020 lived in India. UNICEF reported that at nearly 4.4 million, South Asia recorded the highest number of children who have failed to receive any routine vaccination in the past 10 years. Haryana police have charged over 100 farmers with sedition after they allegedly attacked and damaged the official vehicle of Deputy Speaker Ranveer Gangwa during a protest against members of the state's ruling BJP Jan Nayak Janata Party alliance and the controversial new farm laws. The incident took place in Haryana's Sirsa district last Sunday. The FIR was filed on the same day. Apart from sedition, the FIR also charges farmers with an attempt to murder case. Two leaders of the farmers' movement, Harcharan Singh and Prahlad Singh, were among those named in the FIR. China is reportedly preparing the PLA for a long haul along the line of actual control. The Chinese have purportedly started building permanent concrete structures for troops which will facilitate their quick movement of the border in a short span of time. Top government sources said that Indian agencies have observed new military camps with concrete buildings near border areas. The sources added that one such camp has been spotted barely a few kilometers from the Nakula area in North Sikkim. Similar buildings have been built in areas close to Indian territories opposite eastern Ladakh as well as Arunachal Pradesh. Today, Uttarakhand's Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami said that Kanwar Yatra stands cancelled. He said that the decision was taken because saving lives during the COVID-19 pandemic is their priority. He insisted that people's security is their top priority, and that's the reason why he claimed they cancelled the Kanwar Yatra even before the Supreme Court order. He added that they would also inform the court about their stand. The National Human Rights Commission, formed to probe alleged post-poll violence in West Bengal, has submitted its final report to Calcutta High Court. The report was submitted before a 5-judge bench of Calcutta High Court, saying spatio-temporal expanse of violent incidents in Bengal reflects appalling apathy of state government towards the plight of victims. The court has taken note of the report, saying it would hear the case on July 22nd. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has accused the NHRC of leaking its report in the state, saying the judiciary must be respected.